Now let me show you how to install our co-shrink model number CST12MD. This is the co-shrink CST12MD, especially developed with a very high shrink ratio to seal the 4.310 connector. This is the 4.310 male connector. This is the female, and this is half-inch jumper cable. Oh, I'm sorry. This is the correct procedure. Okay. Okay. And push this. And then, very simple. To complete the installation, just unwind this supporting spiral plastic. Okay. Okay. To finish it, just continue unwinding the supporting spiral. Okay. Perfect seal. IP68 protected.